इदानीं प्रियव्रतस्य कति पुत्राः आसन्?
दशपुत्राः आसन्।
पुत्री एका ऊर्जस्वती। तत्र नामानि सन्ति अग्निध्र युध्मजुः यज्ञबाहु महावीर हिरण्यरेताः घृतपृष्ठः सवनः मेधातिथिः वीतिहोत्रः कविः इति दशपुत्राः अग्निनामानः त्रम् एका पुत्री। एतेषां दशपुत्रेषु कविः महावीरः सवनः इति त्रयः आसन् ऊर्ध्वरेतसः विरक्ताः अनन्तरं लोकविरक्ताः आत्मविद्यायाम् अर्भभावादारभ्य कृतपरिचयाः पारमहंस्यम् एव आश्रमम् अभजन् विरक्तिमार्गम् अगच्छन् त्रयः सर्वे। So all three of them, Kavi, Mahavira and Savana, they took the path of sannyasa, paramahasya. Agre kimasti? सप्तमविंशः श्लोकः। रङ्गन् महोदय अनुमोदितुमिच्छति चेत् कृपया।
अस्तु महोदय, भवतां स्वीकृत्य अहं प्रयत्नं करिष्यामि महोदय। तस्मिन् हवा उपाशमशीलाः परमर्षेः सकलजीवनिकायवासस्य भगवतो वासुदेवस्य भीतानां शरणभूतस्य श्रीमच्चरणारविन्द अविरत स्मरणाविकलित परम भक्तियोग अनुभावेन परिभावित अन्तर्हृदय अधिगते भगवती सर्वेषां भूतानां आत्मभूते प्रत्यगात्मन्येन मन्येन आत्मन्येन आत्मन्येन तादाम्यम् आत्मनस्तादाम्यम् अविशेषेण समेयुः आत्मात्मैव। ओके, पुनः एकवारं पठामि। तस्मिन् नु ह वा उपशमशीलाः परम ऋषेः सकलजीवनिकाय आवासस्य भगवतः वासुदेवस्य भीतानां शरणभूतस्य श्रीमच्चरण अरविन्द अविरतस्मरणात् अविगलित परमभक्तियोग अनुभावेन परिभावित अन्तःहृदय अधिगते भगवती सर्वेषां भूतानाम् आत्मभूते प्रत्यगात्मनि एव आत्मनः तादाम्यम् अविशेषेण समेयुः इति अत्र वचने गद्यवचने अस्ति। अर्थं पश्यामः चेत् this vachanam is gatyam is very having long dheerka samasta padani sandhi, so we cannot say them, but we can take some section by section and then we can analyze the meaning. So I take the approach for this one today, like we do Anvaya. So the main skeleton of the sentence Vakyam will be Karta, Karma and Kriya Pada. So normally these three form the skeleton of the sentence. So this methodology I approach now for this one, so that I will find it easier to handle. So here in this Vachanam Gatyam, Samiyuhu is the Kriyapadam. Samiyu, the last line, last word, Samiyuhu is the Kriyapadam. Samiyuhu idyukte artha, normally it is some, all, samagata idi sabdena artha samagata, all together they come like that. But Samiyuhu, here for this one, the contextual meaning I take as attained or achieved, reached. Samagata, all they reached this one. This is the Kriyapadam. So Samiyuhu is the Kriyapadam. So this is Kriyapadam. Kaha or Ke, Samiyu is the Bhutakala, Litakara, Bhutakala Bakuvachane asti. Ke Samiyuhu, Ke Samiyuhu. We see the Karta in the Pradama Bhakti. In the beginning it is there. Tasmin va upashamashilaha paramarshayah. Idi Karta. Upashamashilaha paramarshayah. Who are they? The last shlokam we saw that etesham kavihi mahaviraha savanaha. Idi treya putraha sannyasamarkam praptavantaha anustitavantaha idi vayam janimah. Gade sloke it is this is said like this. So upashamashilaha paramarshayah eva kartha. So upashamashilaha paramarshayah samiyuhu. These three, they attained or they reached, they achieved this. This is Karta and Kriya. Upashamashila ityukte, upashama ityukte shanta. Shanta, so peaceful. Peaceful. So upashamashilaha, peaceful. The peaceful shanta swabhavaha. Shanta swabhaha. And paramarshayah. Paramarshaya Mahan Risheha. Maharisheha is Paramarshaya. So the Kavihi, Mahaviraha and Savanaha. Treya Putraha. Priyavradasya Treya Putraha. Samiyuhu. Kam Samiyuhu. What they achieved. So when we say what we achieved, so the last line we have to see the Karta. The last line it is there. Atmanaha avisheshena thadamyam samiyuhu. Atmanaha avisheshena thadamyam samiyuhu. So thadamyam samiyuhu. Idi karmapadam. The upashamashilaha paramarshayah thadamyam avisheshena thadamyam samiyuhu. Yes, Mahodaya?
Can everybody hear me?
Yes, Mahodaya. Shruyate
Mahodaya.
Shruyate Mahodaya.
Am Shruyate Mahodaya.
Hello, can anybody hear me?
Am Mahodaya. Oh, I think Mahodaya.
No, he's still on the line. He's still on the line.
I think Sanjeev Mohoday श्रोतुं न शक्नोति इति मम अहं मन्ये.
Now I can hear.
Yeah.
Sanjeev Mohoday, भवान् शृणोति वा?
श्रूयते.
ओके सम्यक्. वयमपि शृणुमः.
अस्तु. रङ्गवन् महोदय अस्ति?
Yes, Mahodaya, I was telling that. Shall I proceed?
Yes, please. Something happened to one of the speakers. I switched to other speaker.
No, इदानीं सम्यक् अस्ति. इदानीं सम्यक् वयं श्रोतुं शक्नुमः.
Okay. Kriyapadam Samiyuhu, that is they achieved, that's what I was telling Mahodaya. Kriyapadam Samiyuhu, that is they achieved or they attained. So who are they? That Upashamashilaha Paramarshyaha, that is that Triyaputraha of the Priyavardasya Triyaputraha yo Sannyasamargam Paramahamsamargam Gadavantah te Samiyuhu. So come Samiyuhu are to what they achieved Atmanaga Avisheshena Tadamyam. Tadamyam Samiyuhu, they achieved Tadamyam. Tadamyam is what? They attained oneness. That is, they become one with something, a great object. That is called Tadamyam. They become oneness. That is actually what we say, because they took Sannyasa Margam, they say Atma Sakshatkaram. That is Atma Jnanam. So they achieved that Atma Jnana Praptihi. To understand, I can give an example. Aham Brahmasmi. We know Aham Brahmasmi is I became Brahman. I became one with the Brahman. So I see Brahman in my Atmani, Swayam, Antar Hridaye. I see Parabrahman. So that is what called Tadamyam. I become oneness with the Parabrahman. So these three become oneness with the Parabrahman. How the Tadamyam Shidrusha asit Avisheshena. Avisheshena is without any distinction. That is indistinguishable. My English is poor. So Veda Rahida, without any Vedam. I give an example. Imagine the rain drops fall on the ocean. Then we cannot separate this is rainwater, this is ocean water. They become one with that. It falls on any river body, ocean. They become one with that. So the same way, Avisheshena, they treyaha Tadamyam Samiyuhu. They become one with the Brahman. So this is the main skeleton of the Gatyam Vachanam. The first line and the last word. In between the two are the other Vishayaha. What are the other Vishayaha? Kidrushaga, or what they, to whom they achieved. They say oneness with the with, that is what it says. So who is that person? They become oneness, or they became unison with them. So who, with whom they became, and also how they became, or where, kada, kutra, idyad vishayaha. In between the two lines, it is the Vishayan Uktam. So, so first we'll see Upashamashilaha Paramarshaya Atmanaga Abhisheshena Tadamyam Samiyuhu. The great sages who are completely peaceful by nature attained absolute indistinguishable oneness with someone. Kasminde Treya Rishayaha Tadamyam, to whom they attained. It is next, the first line it says, Bhagavati Sarvesham Bhutanam Atma Bodhe pratyagatmani eva dadamyam. Then after that we say where it is sakala jiva nikaya avasasya bhitanam sharanabhudasya bhagavado vasudevasya. We take a break at this point, so we will divide into some section by section and then analyze. The first line says sakala jiva nikaya avasasya bhitanam sharanabhudasya bhagavado vasudevasya. So the whole section talks about someone, that is Vasudeva, Vishnu, Bhagavan, Narayana. So this is the one to whom or with whom they become unison. That the three Rishega became one. Sakala Jiva Nikaya Avasasya. Sakala, we know, Sakala Sarvesh Sarvanam Bhitana, Sakala Jiva, Sakala Jiva, we know Bhutana, Sakala Jiva, Bhutana, Sakala itukte Sarve, Jiva, Praninaga, Nikaya, Nikaya itukte Samuha, total, a group, all the groups, all the Jiva Samuha, all the Jiva Samuha, Avasasya, Vasastalam, Nivasasya, Vasastalam, all the Jivanam, Sarvaha Jivanam, Nivasastalam. Who is the Nivasastalam? That person with that person. So, Avasasya, Nivasasya Stavram. That is, Lord Vasudeva is the universal abode. He is not just a god for any particular group of the people. He is Sakala Jiva Nikaya. For all the Praninaga, he is the abode of the for the all living beings. He is the dwelling place for all living beings. That's what Sakala Jiva Nikaya Avasasya idi artha. The next part we will see Bhitanam Sharanabhudasya Srimad Charana Aravinda Avirada Smarana. Bhitanam, that is Bhitanam, we know that is the people who got scared, who are scared or Bhayam Bhaptavantah Tesham Bhitanam Sharanabhudasya. So Bhagavan Sri Vasudeva Kevalam Jananam Shamuha Vasas Nivasasya abode matram nasti Sakala Jivanam abode, universal abode. So Sagabhidanam Bhut Nikaya Avasasya. Then what else? Next one. Bhagavado Vasudev Bhitanam Charana Bhudasya Srimad Charanaravinta. Srimad Charanaravinta. Srimad Charanaravinda Avirada Smaranat. Srimad Charanaravinda. Bhagavan Vasudevasya Aravinda Kamala Charana Kamala Padau Avirada Vityukte Viramam Vina Viramam Rahida, that is without any break, Nirandaram Nityam, continuous. So Avirada, without any break, Smaranat, they always Sarvada they Treyaga Bhakti Yoga Marge Tasmin Padau Vasudevasya Padau Smaranat, they Dhyananti, they were doing Dhyanam all the time. So that's uninterrupted remembrance of Bhagavan Vasudevasya lotus feet. That's called Bhitanam Sharanabodhasya Avirada Smaranat. Idi Artha. Agrime Pachamaga. Next line is Paribhavida. Yes. Charana Bhakti Yoga Anubhavena Bhakti Yoga Anubhavena we saw that one with Bhakti Yogam. Paribhavida. Next is Paribhavida Antarhridaya Adigade Sarvesham Bhutanam Atma Bhude Pratyagatmani Yeva Bhagavati. This section deals with the previous section. It says about Vasudeva, but this one says Khadam Te Samiyuhu, how they achieved. That is what the process they followed. Paribhavida Atma Hridaya Avigade Bhagavati. Bhagavati is Bhagavan Saptami Vibhakti. Bhagavat Saptata Saptami Vibhakti. Bhagavati Sarvesham Bhutanam Atma Bodhe Pratyagatmani Yeva. They achieved this because of their inner hearts, that Hridayante, thoroughly purified. We see the individual words. Paribhavida Atma Hridaya Adigade Bhagavati. Through constant devotion, their hearts were paribhavida. Paribhavida ityukte washed. Parishuddha. Parishuddha bhavati. Andakarane parishuddham bhavati. Paribhavida antaha hridaya. It is called they purified. They washed the paribhavida. This year is called Parabhava, that is called Parijaya, defeated. So the same way it is derived that one, Paribhavida. It means their heart is purified by the constant Bhakti Yoga Marga. Abhyasena, constant Bhakti Yoga Abhyasena, they realize the God Adigade Bhagavati. Bhagavati ityukte Saptami Vibhakti. Bhagavat Sabdasya Bhaktami Saptami Vibhakti. In the God, in Bhagavan Narayanasya presence, they realized that the Paramatma is inside their Atmani. It is where the omnipresent Bhagavan Narayana, the same Paramatma, tasya jivatma rupena antarhridaye asti idi jnanam praptavantaha. Bhutanam atma bhute, that is sarvastra sthide Bhagavan antaratma rupena sthide. Here it is seated, Bhagavan seated in the Jivatma, in the Hridayam. Pratyagatmani, it is inner self. Pratyagatmani is called inner self, that indwelling super and the Atma, Paramatma. Eva, tasmin eva, evam eva, they realized that tesham hridaya abhi, sarva bhutanam hridaya abhi, sthidaha idi Yatva. Again we go to the last line. Atmanaha svaha swasya jivatma avisheshena tadamyam. Without any indistinctly, they became tadamyam. Oneness with they became the Atma, became Paramatma eva. So they don't find any difference between Paramatma, Aham Brahmasmidi, Jnatavantaha. So this is what this one. In summary, we can say the first line identifies the rishis, that is Shanta Swarupa rishis, they achieved oneness with the one, that is the last line. So in between it gives that to whom they achieved, that is Lord Narayana, that Visheshanam, that is his Sakala Jivanam, Sakala, he is the Lord not only for him, for all the groups of the people, for fishes or any species, for all the species, he is the abode for that is called Sakala Nikaya. The second part gives that how they achieved this one, that is Bhakti Yogena, Avirada, without any break, Bhakti Yoga Margena, Gatva, they realized that Antardhyami is Paramatma Eva, that is, who sees in the 11th chapter Visa Atma, that Uddhava Gita part we saw that where the fire is there in the custom, it is in the wood. So who sees the fire in the custom, in the wood? So like that, they saw the Paramatma lives in as a Jivatma in them. The Saramsam, I say, the sons of Priyavrata attained the state where they saw no difference between their own spiritual nature and the Lord's nature. They realized that the same Lord who is the abode of all living entities, that is Sakalaji Nikaya Vasasya, is also the inner self, Pratyagatman, with their own hearts. This is I'm sorry I took long time, but
excellent Mahodaya.
बहु सम्यक् भवान् पाठितवान्.
आम् महोदय, very difficult, but you did great.
Dhanyawada and Dhanyosmi, but I should thank my Guru Sanjeev Mahodaya. Because of him, I am in pre-KG. Even if I say pre-KG, it looks like Garbha Piditeka Agam. So I cannot even say. In fact, as I told you, Agam Mandabuddhi Asmi. I think Shruyateva, his screen got blank.
Shruyate.
Yeah.
So
I am trying to chase you actually at par with all of you. So
Ilangovan Mahoday, you are probably doing justice to Sanjeev Mahoday's teaching.
Yes.
Mahodaya, don't say you're Mandabuddhi. What about us?
Thank you.
I feel ashamed of myself.
Yeah, very much.
Dhanyavad Mahodaya. No, I realize that's what I say. It is not just the words actually. It is not like what you say. We say something Mugastuti. It is not Mugastuti, but after coming to Mahodaya class about 2 years now, so really I can proudly say that I gained, because we studied so many things actually. So it gives us a very wide opportunity to that Samskrita Jnana Vriddhi. So that opportunity I got from this class. So I thank Mahodaya for this. This also I took it as a abhyasa. I took it as a abhyasa, as an exercise only. So I will try to improve further again and again.
Oh my God, you're so good.
You are our inspiration, Mahodaya. Satyam.
Thank you.
So, hope you have something going on. So, hope you can all hear me. Can you all hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Yes. So, I think I was saying something. I'm busy in fixing my computer.
Okay.
या धन्यवादः भवतः पदविन्यासः अथवा चर्चा भवति कर्णमधुरा अस्ति धन्यवादः So I think you all understood, and I don't think there's any question about any word.
श्रीमत् चरणाविन्द अविरत स्मरण विगलित तत्र किञ्चित् सन्देहः अस्ति कः शब्दः
I will quickly do one more padacheda.
Okay.
तस्मिन् नु ह अथवा ऊह तस्मिन् नु ह वा उपशमशीलाः परमर्षयः इत्युक्ते परमऋषयः के परमऋषयः अत्र त्रयः परमर्षयः
त्रयपुत्राः
तेषां नामानि कानि सन्ति परमर्षयः
महावीर कवि
सवनः परमर्षयः सकलजीव निकायस्य अर्थः निकायशब्दस्य
कम्प्लीट्
महोदयेन उक्तम् इदानीं
टोटल् तदा
निकाय तेलङ्गोन् महोदयेन वर्णितमस्ति पदं
समूहः that is a group
others निकाय means समूहः सकलजीव जीवेषु निवसति सकलजीव समूहे निवसति सकलजीव समूहः निकाय समूहः तस्मिन् निवसति इति सः सकलजीवनिवासः तस्य भगवतः वासुदेवस्य अनन्तरं भीतानां शरणभूतस्य पुनः कथमस्ति सः भगवान् वासुदेवः वट् इस् वासुदेवः तस्य अर्थः कः पूर्वं तस्मात् पूर्वं तस्य विशेषणानि सन्ति अत्र सकलजीव निकायवास तस्य अर्थः अवगतः भगवान् अस्य शब्दस्य अर्थः कः
Bhagavan, 6 qualities. Bhaga, then the qualities he praptavan.
What is Bhaga? Anybody else? Bhagavan, Kirtiman, तथा भगवान् अस्ति भगवान् शब्दस्य पदच्छेदः कथं भवति यथा कीर्तिमानस्य अर्थः कः अथवा दयावान् भगवान् दयावान् अस्य कस्मिन् प्रतीतः भवति whom do we call दयावान्
अस्मिन् मनसि दया अस्ति
दया अस्मिन् अस्ति इति सः दयावान् तथा भगवान् तस्य अर्थः कथं भवति भगवान् same as if you interpret same यथा दया अस्मिन् अस्ति इति दयावान् भगवान् how do you say that
अस्मिन् भग अस्ति
भग अस्मिन् अस्ति what is भग Bhaga. You can look up. So many nowadays everything is online. You can look up Bhaga. 6 qualities. But simple. What is simple meaning? What is Bhaga? There are many meanings, but you can take what is more suitable here. Bhaga means?
It says unit, Mahoday.
Aishwaryam.
Bhaga.
See, he owns everything. Bhagavan Ishatvam Asti iti Bhagavan. So Bhaga also means Bhagavati, that we know Bhagavati means Aishwaryam Asti Tasyam iti Bhagavati, or Sampat Asti iti sa Bhagavati athva Idanim Bhagavan. Bhagavan. So Jagatah Ishah. Anantaram Vasudevah. What is Vasudeva?
Krishna.
Vasudevasya putrah.
So before he was born as Vasudevasya putra, he was not called Vasudeva?
Oh yeah. Prahladapi tam Vasudeva eva, I think.
Vasat.
So you can think of like, okay, Vasudevasya putra Vasudeva iti asti, तत्तु सम्यक्, परन्तु इदानीं वासुदेव अस्मिन् पदानि कानि सन्ति अथवा पदद्वयम् अस्ति, that you can, these are simple words inside Vasudeva.
सर्वे भूतानां वसति.
Correct. So that also, that Sakala Jiva Nikaya Vasa, that is what has been told. Same thing, Vasudeva. So there is a shloka, right? Vasana Vasudeva si Vasitam Bhavanatrayam Sarvabhuta Nivasosi Vasudeva Namostate. Sarvabhuta Bhutanam Nivasah Sarvabhuteshu Nivasah Saha Sarvabhutanam api Nivasah Saha Vasudeva. So not only because Tattu Laukikartha, Vasudeva, this, because he became Vasudeva became famous, not the other way. Then Bhitanam Sharanabhutasya, Bhitanam Jananam Sharanabhutah Saha. So sa Bhitaha ke
Manushya Jivaha.
Why are they Bhitaha?
Vayam.
No, kimartham Bhitaha?
Mrutyutaha. Material things. They don't last longer.
Ghora samsara iti, last longer, nashwaramasti sarvamati. Bhitanam Sharanabhutasya. But Udit Mahodaya, you sent me one YouTube link yesterday. I watched only some of it. I'm going to watch full. But watching only those couple of sections, I am more Bhita now. I am Bhita.
Samagra katha Bhitah eva उत्पादयति.
ओ भयङ्करः अस्ति.
भयङ्करः, अतीव भयङ्करः. अधिकतरजनाः न जानन्ति इति.
What is happening everywhere? I don't understand. Okay, Bhitanam Sharanabhutasya. Anantaram Srimat Charanaravinda. This is simple. Srimat. Why is it called Srimat? Oh, it's Srimat.
Lakshmi.
Mat. Srimat padasya prathama vyakti ekvachanam kim rupam?
Sriman.
Shriman.
Shriman. Strilinge.
Srimati.
Shriman. Tha Bhagavan asti tha Shriman. Shri asya asti iti Shriman. Shri is Lakshmi. Lakshmi is not only that personified Lakshmi. Lakshmi is the Sarva Jagat Devi. Sa means Sarva Jagadeva. Tadeva Devi. Srimat tasyaha सर्वजगतः सम्पदः सः ईशः इति श्रीमत् अनन्तरं चरण तस्य चरण अरविन्द कमल चरणकमल अब्ज अब्जपाद अरविन्द अविरत अविच्छिन्नतया सततं स्मरण अनन्तरम् अस्ति अविगलित
ओके
विगलित अविगलित तत्रापि वि इति उपसर्गः अनन्तरं गलित इति अस्ति वाट् इस् गलित
गलितं भज गोविन्दे अस्ति
polluted or
disturbance.
Contamination, malinam, contamination, malinam, galitam इत्युक्ते contamination, polluted.
भवेत् अत्र विगलित इत्युक्ते पुनः अविच्छिन्न एव गलित इत्युक्ते what is it in English word it's यथा पात्रे रन्ध्रः भवति ततः जलं स्रवति सर्वदा
स्खलति
स्खलति गलति स्कन्नं स्खलितं च्युतम् इति विगलित विशेषेण च्युतं स्खलितम् अविगलित न स्खलितम् अस्खलितम्
निरन्तरं
स्थिरम् इति सर्वस्थिरम् अविरतमपि अस्ति स्थिरमपि अस्ति चञ्चलं नास्ति अविगलित परमभक्तियोग अनुभावेन तस्य अर्थः प्रभावेन तस्य प्रभावेन तस्य शक्त्या सामर्थ्येन परिभावित अन्तर्हृदय अधिगते तदा हृदयान्तरे गतमस्ति सर्वं तस्मिन्नेव मग्नः भगवती तस्मिन् भगवती सर्वेषां भूतानाम् आत्मभूते पुनः सप्तमी विभक्ति सर्वेषां भूतानाम् आत्मभूतः अस्ति सः तस्मिन् भगवती प्रत्यगात्मनि तस्य अर्थः कः प्रत्यक् अस्य अर्थः प्रत्यक् तो अस्य अत्र पदमस्ति
प्रत्यक्ष इस् अ प्रत्यक् महोदय प्रत्यक्ष इस् अ डैरेक्ट्
तत्र अक्ष इति पदमस्ति इदानीं प्रत्यक् यथा सम्यक् तत्रापि यक् अस्ति
स्पष्टतया
सम्यक् इत्युक्ते स्पष्टतया समीचीनम् इदानीं प्रत्यक् अक् इति पदम् अतः सम् अनन्तरं प्रति इति उपसर्गः अक् इति मूलपदमस्ति अक् पदं कुतः आगतः फ्रॉम वेयर इट केम अक् पदम् अञ्च धातु अञ्चति तथा अक् इति आगतमस्ति अस्तु इदानीं प्रत्यक् प्राक् व्हाट् इस् प्राक् प्राक्
किं
प्राक् this is not working
पूर्वं वा
प्राक् दिशि अस्ति प्राचि प्राक् पूर्वं so प्राक् computer is not going something wrong okay प्राक् पूर्वं
प्राक् ज्योतिष
प्राचीनं प्राचीन दिक् प्राक् दिक् प्राक् मीन्स् पूर्वं Purva means Purva dik also, or also means before, means prak. Tasmat prak aham etat karyam karomi. Before that. Purva, Purvam also means before, right? Tasmat Purvam gacchami. Not only dik. So, because sun comes there before, that's why it's called Purva, or prak. So, in that dik he comes first, before. That's why it's called Purva dik, Prak dik, Prachina dik. Prak, what are you going to say? Pratyak. Pratyak is tasya viruddha padam asti.
Prati akka Mahodaya.
Prati ak. यथा अत्र प्र अक् अस्ति प्राक् तथा प्रति अक् प्रत्यक् प्रत्यक् मीन्स् आफ्टर् परम् अनन्तरं परम्
Opposite of prak. Okay.
प्रत्यक् प्राक् दिक् मीन्स् पूर्व दिक् प्रत्यक् दिक् पश्चिम दिक् पश्चिम why is called पश्चिम because it after पश्चिम tasya meaning एव after पश्चात्. So pratyak atma, pratyak means param, anantaram. Pratyak atma, paramatma. Pratyak atmani, paramatmani eva atmanah, paramatmani eva atmanah tadatmyam avisheshena samiyuhu. Atmanah tadatmyam, tasya swatmanah तादात्म्यम तादात्म्यम मीन्स ऐक्यभावम अविशेषेण समीयुः अविशेषेण यथा महोदयेन वर्णितमस्ति तर्हि विशेषेण समीयुः अत्र there are different schools of thought, right? One which interprets it as aham brahmasmi means that itself becomes brahma, and tadatmya doesn't necessarily mean aham that itself becomes brahma, but there are other interpretations too. There are 5 types of muktis. One is what is that? Salakya, Sarupya, Sayujya, Sarshti, etc. 5 types. So depending on the atmana jivasya yogyata, ability or capability, so one of the if at all there is a moksha yogya, and within that moksha yogya also what type of moksha is that atma is capable of, depending on that, one of the 5 types of muktis is also one concept other than the Brahma Aikya. Samiyo. Atra evam arthah. Okay, shall we continue next? अग्रे अन्यस्यामपि जायायां 3 पुत्रा आसन् उत्तमस्तामसो रैवत इति मन्वन्तराधिपतयः. So इदानीम् अन्यस्यामपि जायायां, so there was another तस्य कस्य प्रियव्रतस्य अन्यापि जाया आसीत्, अन्या भार्या, तस्याम् अपि तस्यां 3 पुत्राः आसन्. अस्मिन् एकस्यां जायायां 10 पुत्राः, अनन्तरम् एका पुत्री. अन्यस्यामपि जायायां 3 पुत्राः आसन्. तेषां नाम किम्?
उत्तमः, तामसः, रैवतः.
रैवतः इति मन्वन्तराधिपतयः. इदानीम् अस्य प्रियव्रतस्य कथा कस्मिन् मन्वन्तरे प्रचलिता अस्ति? What manvantara is going on right now? Not right now, means in this katha. Priyavrata is in which manvantara?
I think 7.
Priyavratasya pita kaha?
Manu. Swayambhu Manu.
So what manvantara is going on?
17th or 15th?
No, not
Swayambhuva.
Swayambhuva manvantara.
Oh my God.
Swayambhu, Priyamvrata, and
Not
three.
Swayambhu. Swayambhu is Chaturmukha. Swayambhoho putraha Swayambhuvaha. Swayambhuva Manuhu. That is the Manu. So that manvantara, that is the first manvantara of this kalpa. In the Chaturdasham manvantara santi, right? In one kalpa. So in that Chaturdasham manvantareshu, prathamaha manvantara Swayambhuva Manu.
इदानीं सप्तमं मन्वन्तरं चलति.
प्रचलितमस्ति. प्रथममन्वन्तरस्य कथा एषा इदानीं.
स्वयंभुव मनु.
स्वयंभुव प्रथमं.
इदानीं स्वयंभुव.
स्वयंभुव.
Swa. Like how do we say Dasharathi? Dasharatha putra Dasharathi, not Dasarathi. Tastha. Swayambhuva. Swayambhu. Who is Swayambhu?
Brahma's son.
No, Brahma himself is Swayambhu. Swayambhu is Brahma. He Swayam Bhavati iti Swayambhu. Chaturmukha. One with the 4 heads, you see. Okay, originally he had 5 heads. His 1 head was cut. Now he has only 4 heads. So Swayambhu, Saha Chaturmukha Brahma, Saha Swayambhu. Yatha
Swayambhu apatyam Swayambhu.
Swayambhuvaha.
Swayambhuvaha.
Swayambhuvaha. Swayambhuvaha tasya putraha Swayambhuvaha eva Manuh. That Manu's name is Swayambhuva. Manu. Manu means there are many Manus. Manu is a position. Manu is a position. The first Manu in this kalpa was, what kalpa is going on? Shvetavaraha kalpa is going on. In this prathama manvantaraha asit Swayambhuva manvantaraha. So that Brahma, when he was born from the Padmanabha, so from him Swayambhuva Manu was born. Okay? Swayambhuva Manu. And then from him Priyavrata was born. Okay? So Swayambhuva Manvantarasya Katha. Okay? This is very, very ancient. Now which Manvantara is going on now? Saptama Manvantara. What is the name of the Manvantara?
Vaivasvata.
Okay. Why is it called Vaivasvata Manvantara? That was called Swayambhuva Manvantara because he was the son of Swayambhu. Now it is called Vaivasvata Manvantara because who is Vaivasvata?
Son of Vivaswan.
Son of Vivaswan. Vivasvataha putraha. So Vivaswan. Who is Vivaswan?
Surya.
Surya. So now it is this whatever Surya, what we see, tasya devata Vivaswan Surya Golasya devata Surya Vivaswan. Tasya manvantaraha idanim prachalitosti. Vaivasvata manvantara. So by the way, Vaivasvata is also name of many people, right? So, whoever is the son of Surya, who are the son of Suryas that we know? Anybody who is son of what is related to Vivasvan is also Vaivasvata, but Vivasvatah apatyam iti Vaivasvata bhavati. Yatha Dasharatasya apatyam Puman, Vasudevasya apatyam Puman, tatha Vivasvata apatyam Puman Vaivasvatah. So, do you know any putraha of Vivasvan?
Steni, Arun, main one is
Yama api sara Surya
Yamadharmah, Shanaischarah, Yamadharmah. These are also Vaivasvatah. All these people, and also later
female also there.
Yami.
There is a female dog, a female too.
Dhatu Vaivasvati. Vaivasvatah, and then Ashvinau. Okay.
Ashwini Kumaro.
Ashvikumaro. Karnana. Ashvikumaro. Karna. Okay. So these are also actually Puraneshu. They are also called Vaivasvata Yamaha. Okay. So you see the difference. And now here Swayambhuva Manoho Putraha Priyavrata. Priyavratasya Putraha Idanim Putraha Santya Asan Uttamaha. Those 10 Putras are okay, they are also there. But other than that, in another Jaya, Asan Uttama Tamasa Raivata. Idanim Tamasa iti asti, but many of the texts they give it as Tapasa or Tamasa. Tapasa. Mostly while writing Pa became Ma. Somebody wrote while those in the manuscripts.
Tamasa iti nama samyak nasti khalu.
Mahoday, Priyamvrata putraha khalu. Tamas Uttamaha Tamasaha Raivatah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Uttama, Tamasa or Tapasa, and then Raivata. So
Raivata means what?
It's a nama, Raivata.
Okay.
Raivata. Now these are also where Manvantaradhipatayaha. So these also later became, they had their own Manvantaras also. Uttama Manvantara, Tapasa or Tamasa Manvantara, and then Raivata Manvantara. These already happened before, they're done. Okay. Now Vaivasvata Manvantara is going on. So first Swayambhuva Manvantara, and then there are other Manvantaras, 6 Manvantaras total, and now 7th Manvantara going on. Out of that, 3 are given here. Uttama, Tapasa, and Raivata.
So Uttama is 3rd Manvantar, Tamasa is 4th, and Raivata is 5th Manvantar.
Yeah, so initially the Manvantara Parampara, Manvadhipateyaha, it all stayed within this Swayambhuva Manos Kula, Priyavrata Kula, Priyavrata Vansha. Then couple of them later, they were out of this Vansha. Okay. So you can find out what are the other Manvantaras. Okay. Manvantaradipatayaha. Okay. So all those the other 10, 3 became sannyasi. 7 are still, we don't know what happened to them yet. Okay. But as we see here, these 3 Putras became the Manvantaradipati. But the other 7 did not become Manvantaradipati. So they became other kings. Okay. So out of this, what I know, this Tapasa Manu is or was the Bhagavad Avatara. Bhagavan Narayanasya Avatara was Tapasa Manu. Similarly, Yajna was also Bhagavata Avatara. This one of the Manvantaradipati, Tapasa, was also Bhagavata Sakshad Avatara. That was in some other Puranantareshu. Asti Patitam. Asti, we can stop here today. Namaskaraha.
Namaskaraha. Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah.
Very interesting class, Mahoday.